G'day everyone, Connor here from CW Tech Reviews, back with another video. Today we're doing a video test on the Oppo R11s. We're going to do front facing, rear facing, 720p, 1080p and 4K. So without further ado, let's get stuck into my video. Yeah! Okay, first test is with the 720p front facing camera. We will test 1080p shortly, but this is 720p. Everything doesn't look too bad, colours look fairly true to life. I can see the white colours do look fairly blown out, so something to consider with the front facing 20 megapixel camera of the Oppo R11s. Here we are with the 1080p front facing camera, 20 megapixel on the Oppo R11s, so I'm fairly happy with that. Colours are fairly true to life. The sky's a little bit blown out, the car in the background there is a little bit blown out. But not too bad, not too bad. Next part of this test is filming 1080p on the rear facing camera. That's a 16 megapixel shooter for the video, so as you can see, not too bad there. We'll swing around. The sky looks a little bit blown out, although much better image quality. It's picking up the audio as well, and we do have the one-time zoom, so we can flick through to the 20 megapixel camera as well for that. That is 1080p, that's the 4K, this is 4K. I'll swing around. So colours look fairly good. Definitely less blown out than the front facing camera. It's a little bit wobbly.